Well, good morning, scrappers, scrappettes, and my little scrappeteers. Thank you. Yes, come along for the ride. Hang out with your host, Treasure Coast Scrapper, just for a little while. That's all I ask. All right, we're starting off at the Forbidden Zone. Be careful. We gotta be careful. All right, we got ourselves a washer. Let's get us a washer here. And with the cord and all. Let's get the cord. There we go. All right, let's put this up. There we go. They just get heavier and heavier. Yeah, it is a dryer. Oh, it's a heavy dryer. All right, let's stand it up. Come on. Oh, come on. There we go. Let's keep rolling. All right, we got a bunch of chairs here. Let's get us the chairs. Aluminum. They're all aluminum. All right. Let's see where we're gonna put them. Let's put them right there. There we go. Yeah. There you go. One more. That's not going anywhere. Let's go. In the corner, let's get us a stove. There we go. It's a beautiful thing. Stuff off of it. We can put it here because these are metal chairs. It's not gonna go anywhere soon. What else we got here? There we go. Take that off. All right. We have a cord. we do have a cord. All right, we do have a cord. We'll put it here in an angle. Let's get it out of here. Does this come off? They do come off. Oh my goodness. It does come off. Well, that's some weight off of it. Every little ounce helps. All right. Oops, I got caught. There we go. Let's get the cord off and we'll stand it up. There we go. Oh my goodness. Oof. I'm gonna have to find something different because it puts a strain on my arm. It really does. So, I don't know. And it's not the pliers. Pliers are very good. All right. Let's stand this baby up. There we go. All right. Bring it over. Over this thing. Come on. Stuck right there, baby. We'll tie it right there. Ain't going nowhere. We're all tied up. That's not gonna go anywhere. That is good right there. That's not going anywhere. All right, let's see what else we got around here. All right, we got another chair. Oh, chair day. Let's see, is it aluminum or metal? Aluminum. I already see by the color. Oh no, wait. Feels very heavy. No, that's metal. That is a metal chair. All right, metal chair it is, no problem. I'll take the metal, the aluminum. I'll take whatever. I don't know if you noticed, but Treasure Coast Scrapper is not a picky person. I will take it. I do. I will take it all. Whatever it is. Let's go. All right, we got ourselves an AC unit. Let's get us an AC unit. All right. Let's get us a cord. First things first. We got us a cord, and where we're gonna put this AC unit at. Let's see. We'll figure it out. How's that? You guys show me where I could put it, and that's where it'll go. Let's see here. We'll put it up there. It's a small one, not that heavy. Don't I always say the same thing? It's not that heavy, and it ends up kicking my butt. that can't stay there. Well, the other way around, yeah. There we go. Uh-oh. I broke it, didn't I? Yeah. That's good to go. That's not going to go anywhere. Yeah, that's good right there. All right, let's continue. Let's take a look at this bike here. Is it any good? Yeah, flat tire. All right, where are we putting this? Right up here. Where else is it gotta go? There we go. And yeah, let's tie it down. All right, we're all tied up. Check these also. Make sure nothing's coming off. We're all tied up. Let's go. Well, all right, we are done. That's it for the route. All right, we gotta take. We're going home. Take some of the parts off. Leave the chairs. And then I got some other stuff I got to put on here, some other scrap. So we'll see you at the scrapyard. All right, we're here. Not bad, not bad. Yes, 3840, 3860, 3840. So that's why. So let's go. All right, let's get unloaded. What's up, boss? All right, there he goes. Oops, sucked it up. There's number 2. There you go. Let's get in here. All right, let's get this out of here. let's get this one all hooked. All right, all set, all done. We way out. It's still early. Still early. We might be able to get another load in. We don't know. We'll see. 34. I don't know. I can't make it out. 3460, I think. I think 3460. Oh. No problem.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a good day. All right. Might see you later. All right. Let's go. All right, so 3840 and 3460, 380 pounds, 2680. No, 2860, I'm sorry. 2860, no. 2660. There we go. I'm sorry. I didn't have my glasses on. Well, thank you. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for coming along for the ride, like always. I appreciate it. I appreciate everything. I don't know. I'm going to take a look and see. I might be able to put this together with something else. This one might be short, but even though we picked up a lot of stuff. But, yes. We'll see you on the next run. Treasure Coast Scrapper, thank you. God bless. Thank you for everything. Well, good afternoon, scrappers, scrapettes, and my little scrapeteers. And we already have a washer. Let's grab a washer. Why not? Yes, we are. Hope everybody's feeling good. Hope everybody's okay. Yes, we are feeling great. Hello. So, let's get this washer on old Betty. No, dryer, sorry. And I stopped by to pick up that fridge that a friend of mine was taking the Freon out of it. And we took it apart. So let's grab it. And it rained. Even though it doesn't look like it, but it rained. All right. Oh, garbage. Let's get this in here and get out of the way. There we go. All right. Let's roll. All right. We got ourselves a satellite dish. There we go, satellite dish it is. Yeah. All right, let's continue. All right, we're on our way to the scrapyard. Yes, we're on our way to the scrapyard. All right, we are here. Let's get old Betty unloaded. So let's see what we weigh in here. I hope it's not that mucky. It's been raining on and off. So, all right, 38.60 it is. 36.80. I'm sorry, 38.60. Let's get Betty unloaded. What's up, boss? Oh, yes. All right, let's get all this stuff out of here. I also did some fans. Yeah, I did a whole bunch of goodies, but like I said, unfortunately, camera wasn't working. So it is what it is. It's all metal. All right, let's roll. All right, we got 34.60 coming out. All right, thank you.
Okay.
All right, so this the scrap I had on the truck, 400 pounds exactly, 5.5 cents, $22.